Today's lesson is on exponents. Okay, the standard form to write a number, or the decimal form for the number 10,000 is 10,000. We can also write it in expanded form, or the repeated multiplication represented by 10,000, which would be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. We can also write 10,000 in an exponent form, which we call exponential form. So 10 raised to the power of 4. An exponent tells us how many times a number, the base, is used as a factor, how many times you multiply the number by itself. So we have 10 to the 4th. The base is 10 and the exponent is 4th. 10 is the base and 4 is the exponent. So let's look at some examples. 5 squared is read as 5 to the 2nd power, or 5 squared. 5 with an exponent of 2 is 5 times 5, which is 25. Standard form, expanded form, exponential form. 6 to the 3rd is read as 6 to the 3rd power, or 6 cubed. 6 to the 3rd is 6 times 6 times 6, which is 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. All right, so this is really important because when people get confused is with the negative base on the exponents. All right, so parentheses negative 2 to the 4th is read as negative 2 to the 4th power. Negative 2 is the base. Oops. Negative 2 is the base. So it's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. I have an even number of negative signs, so it's a positive 16. In contrast, negative 2 to the 4th is read as the opposite of 2 to the 4th power. See the difference? With the parentheses, it's negative 2 to the 4th power. Without the parentheses, it's the opposite of 2 to the 4th power. So in this instance, the base is 2, not negative 2. So really, in the expanded form, it's really a negative 1 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is a negative 16.